give it to God. They are talking bad about you, ibigay mo sa Diyos. They're trying to ruin your reputation, give it to God. Pinagchichismisan ka, binabackstab ka, ginagawa kang conversation sa dining table, ibigay mo sa Diyos yan. Let it go and give it to God. It says in the Bible, Luke chapter 8, verse 17, that anything done in the dark will come to light. So, you're blessed. The Lord will protect you. Have no grudge, have no resentment, have no hatred, have no revenge. Let it go, pray for them, and the Lord will protect you. Ibigay mo na kay Lord yan, siya na bahala. Because you were not put on this earth to please everyone. It is not your job to be liked by everyone. Just be yourself, be authentically, genuinely yourself. It's not your problem. It's their problem. Good luck.